Hi everyone! This tutorial will highlight some important features of Academic Search Premier, a subscription database hosted by EBSCO. From the home page, you have a bunch of options. We'll start where we already are with New Search. Right now, we're on the Advanced Search screen. You can use the Basic Search if you'd like, but Advanced Search really helps to narrow down your results a little bit better. So we'll go back. Let's say you wanted to search for information about persuasion in advertising. We can start in the first search bar and type persuasion. Then over here, in select a field, I'm going to select all text. This means that I want to find articles with the word persuasion in any part of the text. If I wanted to limit my results so that I have less, I might select title from this drop-down menu. That means that all my results would have the word persuasion in the title. Next, let's talk about Boolean operators. I can select from and, or not. And or will expand the number of results my search yields, and not will limit my results. You can use the not option if you're specifically looking for information on a particular topic, but not one particular area. In the next search bar, I'm going to type advertise like this, and I'm going to put an asterisk instead of an E. Putting the asterisk after the S is called truncation. This means it will search for all variations of this word. For example, advertise, advertising, and advertisement will all be included in my search results. Since I know this will probably yield thousands of results, I'm going to select title as my field indicator to limit my results a little bit. So then I'll hit search, and I'll get my results. From here, I can limit my results using these are limiters. I like to limit my results by full text because I know I'll get the full article and not just a citation of the article. I also like to limit by date, and I like to limit within the last 10 years, so I'll slide this over to 2007. Then it updates automatically, and it did kind of cut the amount of results in half. So I have 198. I think I had 4 something at first. Another useful trick for using these limiters is to go down and go to subject thesaurus term. And by expanding this, I can see the different areas of research in this broader topic and choose to focus on a specific one. If you're stuck on narrowing down a specific focus, this tool can help with that. Additionally, all EBSCO databases have a built-in subject term thesaurus, which is up here. And this can help you start off your research as well. Subject terms are just standardized words or phrases that describe the contents of a text. It's kind of like a tag you'd use in a social media post, except more official. To browse some relevant subject terms in Academic Search Premier, I'm going to go down here and select Term Contains, and then in the box I'm going to type advertise again with the asterisk instead of the E. And then I'm going to enter. Oops, spelled it wrong. You always have to spell right in a database because it's not like Google where it'll ask you, did you mean this? Because databases work a little bit differently. So from here, when I spell it right, I'll get a bunch of more focused topics under the broader umbrella topic of advertising, and sometimes these focused topics will have even more specific subtopics as well. You can browse these by clicking them. I'm going to click Internet Advertising down here, and I'll show you some more potential topics. So we have all these smaller subtopics of Internet advertising. So let's say I'm interested in click-through rate. I can click this and learn a little bit more about it, or I can go back and I can check off this box, and then I can click add to my search. I'm going to do and instead of or. And then it takes me back to this page, and I'll search. And then I can browse articles about the ad click-through rate. I only have 63 here, so I can limit even further to get my perfect result. So there you have it. These are just a few features of Academic Search Premier. Feel free to play around to familiarize yourself with the database and make discoveries of your own. As always, please reach out to me if you have any questions or want further guidance. Happy researching!